Today it is a brand new 2020, all redesigned unboxing of an Escape. This is our most affordable Escape. It is a model, it's an S, and it's an all-wheel drive. The only thing that's added to this vehicle is the upgraded aluminum wheels. Other than that, this is as base as it gets. It's as cheap as it gets. So let me show you what this vehicle comes with. First of all, it comes with a 1.5 liter 3-cylinder with auto stop-start technology on as far as an engine. That means that when you're driving and you're stopped, automatically the engine shuts off to save you on fuel, and then as soon as you release that gas pedal or as soon as you release the brake pedal, you continue on, the engine starts up, and you go on your way. Now, it also is matted with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it comes with a really, really neat looking key. So the key is the lock, unlock, and it's got the hazard basically horn button, and then this is how you get the key open. That's how you're gonna start the vehicle. So the key's super cool because you don't need to put it in the door anymore. It's all standard keyless entry. Take a look at this. We've got the plastic from the factory, comes right with it. Look, it says right here, it says upside down, it says dealer must remove. So we'll remove that. I guess I'm the dealer, so we'll remove that. We got the plastic around the seats. Start from the bottom, work your way up to the top. Now, a few things you'll notice about this all new 2020 Escape. And again, this is the base one. So some of the neat things that come with it are just things that that you might be upgrading significantly from your current vehicle. Throw the key in, and let's start it up, and let's show you some of these things. Starting with the wheel. So we've got cruise control right here. We have a volume up and down and mute right there. We've got our Bluetooth feature. So if you're wanting to make a phone call, if you want to hang up a phone call, you can do that right here. You got your audio controls, and also to control the display is you use this basically these buttons here. So you got the menu button, and you go through and you can configure a couple different things. Look at your trip, look at your fuel economy, look at a couple different things. It's got a built-in display right into the center, dashboard. With this as well, take a look at this. If I put this in reverse, it's got a built-in rear view camera. So here's the neat part. I turn the wheel, and you'll notice it tells me where I should be going. So, to give you a good idea where you're going, you'll be putting it in reverse, and bang, you put yourself into that parking spot or wherever you're parking at home. It's a pretty cool feature. The gear selector here, we could select from reverse, neutral, drive, and low gear. One of the neat features is if you put it in drive and opened up the door, it automatically will put it back into park for you. So that's a pretty cool feature, a safety feature, just in case you forgot if you're used to a normal gear select. It also has lane keeping assist. So that's available up here. It has automatic headlights. It's got basically your air conditioning that comes automatic in it. It's got auto hold as well. So you push this button down here, and basically as you're driving and you come to a full stop, you don't need to keep your foot on the brake anymore. It actually holds the vehicle there until you put your foot on the gas, and you continue going. So some of the base things that come on this vehicle are some really, really neat things. You'll probably appreciate down in here, you've got a USB port as well. You also have plenty of storage and another USB port in your center console. Some pretty cool things. So one of the neat parts about this rear seat is that these seats actually slide back and forth. Check out all that space. So you could do that on both the 60-40 split that you've got here. You put it all the way to the front, and that leaves you more cargo space. You put the seat down, put the headrest down, and now have access to the rear hatch. And here we've got some all-weather cargo mats that we put on all of our vehicles, protecting the carpet and making it nice and clean for you. So we got the rear hatch open, and it gives you plenty of space to pick up any odds and ends, or maybe even doing a little bit of gardening, maybe some bags of compost or whatever it might be. You could do a lot of neat things about it with it. Now, one last feature that I want to show you, something that they should have invented a long time ago, right here. To open the hood, you just now have to pull this 2 times and the hood pops open without having to search where the latch is. Boom, easy. So there's no latch under here because that second pull actually releases the secondary latch on the hood. So this reveals the 1.5 liter that we talked about, 3-cylinder, all new technology, gives you a lot of pep, gives you a turbo, and saves you a ton of fuel. Anyways, if you like what we did, if you want to get some more information, if you would like us to shoot anything, please let us know. Like our page, subscribe to our channel, and have an awesome day.